Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with AVA as an agency. You'll learn how to create your agency account, onboard your first clients, and choose the right plan to match your business model. AVA is designed to help agencies deliver scalable AI-driven voice services, whether you're offering cold calling, inbound support, or post-sale follow-ups, all without hiring a full sales or customer service team. With the agency plans, you gain access to a central dashboard that lets you create and manage client subaccounts, manage minutes consumption, configure AI agents, and monitor campaign and client performance, all from a single login. It's perfect for agencies that want to add AI phone and web services to their offerings while keeping client management flexible and scalable. After completing your purchase, check your inbox for an email invitation from AVA. Open the message and click the Set Your Password button. You'll now be taken to a screen where you can begin your AVA setup and installation. In the next steps, we'll walk through selecting a phone number, connecting your Go High Level account, reviewing the installation sequence, creating your AVA account tied to GHL, and linking it to your primary agency workspace. Let's break it down one step at a time. To begin, you'll choose a phone number for your AVA voice agent. If you already have numbers available, just pick one from the list. Otherwise, select Create New Number, enter your preferred area code, and AVA will show you a list of options. Once you've made your selection, review the details and confirm. Click Connect to proceed. This will open a new interface where you'll be prompted to authorize access to your GHL agency account. Once successfully connected, AVA will automatically link your AVA account with your GHL environment. From there, you'll be directed to the installation review screen where we'll confirm all your settings before completing the setup. Let's walk through that next. On the installation review screen, you'll be asked to grant AVA the permissions it needs to function properly inside your GHL environment. You'll review and approve custom actions, automation triggers, and system resources that allow AVA to run campaigns, log interactions, and access contact data securely. Review each section carefully, then proceed to complete the installation by clicking Next. This step matters because AVA maps each GHL subaccount directly to an AVA subaccount. That's why it's critical that you connect your primary GHL agency account during setup. This ensures your AVA environment is linked to the correct root workspace. Later, when you activate client subaccounts, each one will operate as its own voice instance inside AVA, complete with its own agents, projects, and configuration settings. Connecting the right GHL account now sets the foundation for everything that follows. After selecting your account, you'll see two checkboxes appear. One to install under all locations your primary workspace, and another to enable automatic installation for future updates. Make sure to check both. This ensures all necessary resources are properly installed into your agency account and helps avoid interruptions later by allowing AVA to push updates automatically when new features are released. After clicking Proceed, double-check that your GHL account shows a green check mark indicating a successful connection. Once confirmed, click Finish GHL Setup to complete the installation. Congratulations, your installation is complete and you now have access to your AVA account. Welcome to the AVA dashboard. From here, you'll manage everything related to your AI voice setup. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find all the tools you need to build agents, track performance, manage subaccounts, and fully customize the experience for your clients. Keep in mind, the options you see here will vary depending on whether you're logged into an agency account or a business account. Business users will see a simplified version with fewer options. What we're looking at in this video is the full agency view. Let's take a quick tour of what each section does. Switch Accounts lets you toggle between different subaccounts inside AVA. You'll start in your agency's primary subaccount, and once you add additional subaccounts, this view will become available so you can easily switch between clients. If you're on the agency Kickstart plan, you'll only have access to your primary subaccount, so this option won't appear. Home is where you'll create and manage your inbound agents and outbound projects. It's the workspace for building AI-powered call flows, and we'll walk through how to build your first inbound agent later in this video. Account Manager gives you full visibility into your agency's usage, minutes, and sub-accounts. You'll see a monthly overview including total minutes, sub-account activity, your agency profit, and pricing details. It's also where you add new sub-accounts, connect Stripe to receive payments, and manage billing settings like base pricing. Just a quick note on sub-account limits. The agency Kickstart plan includes one sub-account, which is your primary. Lite includes 3 total accounts, 1 primary and 2 sub-accounts. And if you're on the unlimited plan, you can create as many sub-accounts as you need. White label is where you customize AVA with your own branding. Once setup is complete, your client-facing platform will reflect your logo, domain, and email identity, creating a fully white-labeled experience. Just keep in mind, white labeling is exclusive to the Agency Unlimited plan. Contacts is your contact manager. You can add contacts manually, import from your CRM, or use CSV upload for bulk management. AVA will use these records during outbound campaigns. Call history displays a full log of calls, inbound and outbound, with filters by channel, date, and status. It's essential for tracking campaign outcomes and reviewing individual call results. Phone numbers shows all numbers available for agent use. You'll assign these to inbound agents or use them for outbound campaigns depending on your setup. Payments is where you manage your wallet and subscriptions. You'll see your current balance, cost per minute, total available minutes, and can add a payment method or set up auto recharge to avoid interruptions. Lastly, under profile settings, you'll find your private account details along with webhook and API configuration options. This is where you connect AVA to other platforms or set up custom integrations. That's all it takes to get started with AVA as an agency. At this point, you've completed your installation, connected your GHL agency account, and explored the AVA dashboard, the command center for managing agents, projects, and sub-accounts. From here, you're fully equipped to build real-time voice agents, launch scalable call automation projects, and deliver branded AI experiences through our white labeling feature. If you're looking to go deeper, we've got a full library of short walkthroughs covering everything from adding more phone numbers to configuring white label settings, setting up call forwarding, scheduling calls, and more. So you're never left guessing. Next, let's take a look at how to create an inbound agent, your 24/7 virtual receptionist for handling incoming calls, booking appointments, and supporting customers in real time.
To get started, go to the AVA home screen. If it's your first time, the platform will prompt you to create either an outbound project or an inbound agent. Otherwise, click Add New Agent from the Active Agent section. Choose whether your agent should be tied to a phone number, deployed to the web, or both. Next, configure your agent by entering a custom agent name, selecting the language and ethnicity to set voice characteristics, choosing a unique phone number, and using the Listen button to preview and assign the AI voice. Select an available phone number. Keep in mind that each inbound agent must have a unique number and cannot share it with another inbound agent. Now it's time to configure the agent. You'll define how it greets callers, introduce the company or representative, add key business-specific knowledge, and set the primary goal of the interaction, such as answering FAQs, booking appointments, or qualifying leads. The available fields will vary depending on the selected role. While not all fields are mandatory, it's strongly recommended to complete them for the best possible performance. Let's walk through the fields I filled out for this receptionist agent, starting with the greeting. This is what the AI says right when it answers the call. You want something friendly and professional, so I used, "Hi, this is Rahul's voice assistant. Who am I speaking with?" That way the caller knows right away they've reached a digital receptionist. Next is the introduction. This is where the assistant sets expectations and confirms who the caller has reached. I wrote, "You're speaking with Rahul's virtual assistant here at Thinkrr. How can I help direct your call today?" This keeps things clear, confident, and makes sure the conversation starts with the right context. You may notice I wrote Thinkrr, spelled out differently than our company name. This is a trick to ensure the AI pronounces the name properly instead of saying Thinkrr. Now let's take a look at the representative name. This tells the AI who the caller is ultimately trying to reach. I entered Rahul Alim so the virtual assistant can respond naturally if someone asks for Rahul by name, or reference him in responses when helping with scheduling or information. Next is the representative title. This gives the agent more context about who Rahul is within the company. In this case, I used Thinkrr Associate. It helps the AI communicate clearly, especially when clarifying roles or handling follow-ups. Then there's the company name. I set it to Thinkrr.ai so the assistant can confidently state where the caller has reached. Once again using the same spelling trick to ensure correct pronunciation. This field shows up in greetings, closings, and whenever the business needs to be referenced during the call. Now let's move on to the information to gather field. This is where I listed out the questions I want the AI to ask callers before offering to book anything. Since this is a receptionist helping qualify leads, I made sure the questions were short, clear, and focused on understanding intent. For example, one of the questions I added is, are you looking to get voice AI set up in your business? That gives the AI a quick way to determine whether this person is a good fit for the meeting. I also included prompts like pausing after each question so that the client may speak, so the conversation sounds more natural. These questions help filter out unqualified leads and make the booked meetings more productive. Next up is the key information field. This is where I added some helpful business context the AI can reference during the call, things like what Thinkrr does, the kind of clients we work with, and the tools we offer. I kept the tone natural, almost like I was explaining it to someone new. That way the AI sounds informed but still conversational. Finally, I filled in the primary goal, which in this case is to qualify the caller and book a meeting with Rahul. I also made sure to include a few important guardrails. The meeting must be 15 or 30 minutes only, and the AI has to go through the qualification questions before it offers to schedule. Even if someone asks to book right away, the agent should still follow the flow and ask the questions first. You can now assign actions under Manage Actions. This includes real-time appointment booking, call transfers, and sending email notifications with call reports. Before you go live, always run a test. Click Save and Test Agent to launch a test call in your browser using a sample contact. Test agents can book meetings, send notification emails, but cannot do call transfers. Let's take a look at how a test call will sound like.
Hi, this is Rahul's voice assistant. Who am I speaking with?
Hi, this is Max Newman. I saw some information online regarding a voice automation system and would like to maybe speak with a representative to discuss the details and pricing.
Hi, Max. Thank you for reaching out. You're speaking with Rahul's virtual assistant here at Thinkrr. I'd be happy to help you with information about our voice automation system. To get started, may I ask if you're looking to set up voice AI for your business? Or are you currently using a solution and exploring alternatives?
Uh, yeah, I'm interested in the product, and currently we do our calls manually, so I am looking to implement voice AI into our workspace.
Got it, Max. It sounds like you're exploring voice AI to streamline your call processes. Thinkrr is designed to help businesses like yours manage calls efficiently without needing live staff. Our platform can handle inbound and outbound calls, schedule meetings, qualify leads, answer FAQs, and even route calls in real time. Are you currently a Thinkrr user, or would this be your first time setting it up?
This would be the first time.
Thanks for sharing, Max. Since this would be your first time setting up Thinkrr, it's a great opportunity to explore how it can be tailored to your needs. We specialize in automating repetitive tasks, reducing missed opportunities, and scaling client engagement without increasing headcount. Would you like to book a call with Rahul to discuss getting Thinkrr set up?
During test calls, transfers won't trigger. These calls don't use planned minutes but are capped at 15 minutes. After thoroughly testing your agent, make sure to click Save and Launch to deploy it. Once deployed, the agent will appear on your home screen and its phone number will be live, ready to be called or shared. Once your setup looks good and tests run smoothly, your inbound agent is ready to go live across phone and web. You are all done. If you have any questions or require further assistance, visit help.thinkrr.ai or email us at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thank you for watching.